I find you very thank you.
What is your full name?
My name full is Maria Viviana Rodriguez Manrique.
How old are you?
I am 35 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Bogota.
Okay. With whom you live?
My family, husband, and my 2 children.
What is your occupation?
I am psychology student.
Okay. What do you like to do?
I like watch movies with family and read books.
Now, can you talk to me about your working experience? Well,
I have built a system technical for years.
okay. Viviana, can you talk to me about your qualities and your skills really to your work?
My skill are I am very punctual. I can work in item. I very self-critical and I have leadership.
Okay. What do you see yourself in 5?
Working as an psychology.
Okay. And when do you want to do work for us?
With the employer allows flexibility in the schedule.
Okay. Which are your expectation of salary?
I do not have a specific salary.
Okay. What would you do if team member yells at you?
I keenly reply.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Thank you. Bye bye.